谢谢谢
means thanks. The character 谢 has a false tone, the going down tone. Here, the second 谢 has no tone because it's easier to say. So instead of saying 谢谢, we say 谢谢谢谢 Thanks. As we learned 你您你们 we can say 谢谢你谢谢您谢谢你们 There are 3 ways to reply to 谢谢. 1.
不谢不谢
不 means no or not. Usually it has a false tone, 不. As we learned the pronunciation rules for the word 不, when it follows by a false tone character, then the 不 pronounce the second tone, 不不. So here 不 read like 不不谢. And the 不 here comes from the word 不用, means no need. You can say
不谢不用谢
2.
不客气不客气
In this word, 不 also means 不用, no need. 客气 means to show politeness. You can say 不客气 or 不用客气. It's also a very common way to say you are welcome in China.
不客气不用客气
3.
没事儿没事儿
As we learned, 没 means 没有, not have. 是 is a simplified version of 事情, which means thing, affair. 事儿 come from a speaking habit. We add r behind some words to make the pronunciation more fluent. Especially when you talk fast, it will naturally have this r sound behind. Try this. 是是 You need to use some force to keep your mouth shape, right? While saying 事儿事儿 your mouth is more relaxing. And when R combined with a character before it, the syllable will write like syllable plus R in pinyin. So 是 R will be written like 事儿事儿没事儿 means it's nothing. It could be used to reply both thanks or sorry. Like 谢谢你没事儿对不起没事儿